Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NWBO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a lot easier to see. No, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. But not only today was a great day from a price action perspective, you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first area of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up here above the 27-cent mark. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 27, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to actually stay up above 27 cents, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from a big picture point of view, so this definitely assumes you have more of a broader time horizon on things, but that's where the purple line comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, this purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above 27 cents would be great. However, from the big picture point of view, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. Now, what about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers seem to be hanging out at, first key level of resistance right up here at the 30-cent mark, and then after 30 cents, essentially nothing until where the party stopped today, and that was up there at, how high did it actually get? Right up there around 33.5 cents. So one step at a time. I get it. It's fun to talk about testing previous highs, breaking new highs, and that's where 33.5 comes into play. But in many cases, as is the case here, usually there's other bridges that first need to be crossed. And once more, that bridge in this situation is right there at 30 cents. Anyway you slice it though, very, very nice move today. Now it's just a matter of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.